Hi everyone, it's Kathie Ryan here in Bundaberg, Queensland, and I've just done a pour, and you can probably tell by the mess, and this is the residue from that pour, and I've put it on here, and I'm still getting these dry patches, but I've decided I know what it is. The last video was the same, and it's the weather. It's so humid here that it's subtropical, and we haven't had rain for so long, and then all of a sudden last night we got these, well, it rained all night, it was massive, and so today it's still dribbling and drooling a little bit, and everything outside there is just mud, and I can see the grass growing. So I guess in the next few days I'm going to be mowing. Unless, of course, there's someone out there that'd like to come and do some yard work for me. I'd make you a cup of coffee. That's about it. Alright, so what am I going to do? I thought I might like to try a bit of a Galaxy pour, and have I got yellow? I need some yellow, don't I? Come here, cup, and put some little bit of yellow in you. I have white, black, red, blue, and now I have some yellow, and I would like a stirrer-upperer. I have. How good is that? That is pretty good. I actually think that's lending itself already to what I'd like. Smoky look to it, with the bumpy bits. Go away. Alright. And yes, I might put a bit of silicone in with the yellow. You never know. Alright, so how do I want to do this? I'm thinking, first up, that I might like, this piece here is black, and then have some red. I'm going to swipe this and then tilt it and hope that I get something akin to what I thought. Probably don't need that much yellow. And I have some white. I'm wondering if a spatula swipe might be the way to go. I want some blue. Well, let's see how we go with this lot. Just try it. Ah, yeah, that's not too bad. Probably doesn't look too Galaxy. Looks more like circus, but we shall see. Very pretty. Getting a lot of cells, which is rather nice. Now if that might be interesting. Right. Where did I say there? And then, so he looks like he's coming down. You can go on there. And I'm liking this. I'll give him a little burst. Probably got too much paint there, so we'll take him up. Just like that. Whoa. And I'm not going to mess any more with that. I'm just going to torch him. And oh, that was a big surprise. Look at those lovely cells. Alright, so give him a little torch. Remind you that the recipes for these paints and the pouring medium you will find underneath show more below this video. Ah, bless me. And I'll just go along here, make it grey as opposed to spotty. And here. Oh, that is really, really pretty. And I'll bring you down to have a look at this one. I'm going to sneeze again. No, I'm not. Yes, I am. Make up your mind. So, as I said, the pouring medium and paint recipes are under show more. There's a link there to my Facebook group, which is Australia Art Dreaming. And a multitude of other things that you can go and have a look at. And I am impressed with my cells. They are so very pretty. So if you haven't already subscribed, please do. Click the little bell and you'll be notified when I put up more videos. I do hope you've enjoyed. Please give this one the thumbs up. And I'll catch you in the next one. So, bye for now.